What's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be opening my new no key switches. Oh, okay, opening. Hey guys, I am now opening the box right now with two different cameras right now. Alright, let's have a look at these keycaps. Keycaps. This camera as well. Shit. Ooh. The Kbd fans. We have the DIY kit. Okay. Hey guys, with the DIY kit, let's get these keyboards out of the way. By the way, have a look at my old keyboard. The Inbrain Microsoft keyboard. Oh my god. Okay, so now I'll put these on that. Let's open up the bad boy. Okay guys, so now we're gonna open the DIY kit by Kbd fans. Welcome. It says welcome to the Kbd67 lite. This is my first custom build of a mechanical keyboard. I have bought some Novelty yellow silk switches. One of the dries, but I could not find them, so I had to do with the silks instead. That's easily as good. Whee! Welcome to KBD. Welcome to KBD. Alright. Look at this. Look at that. The KBD fans logo on the back. Yeah. And let's open it up. Tighten it like that. Jesus, okay. Oh, it's soft as. Okay. So we have the stabilizers and screws in here. Stabilizers and screws. We've got some, I'm presuming, some more screws, of course. We got this nice cable coil here. That's pretty nice. Apparently not as good, but you know, not as good as the best. But everything is not as good as the best, but you know. And then you've got the foam. Padding foam, and then you've got the okay. So now you have the frame with the silicone, and you've got the things, the back. And now you got the PCB as well here. That's a bit delicate with the south-facing hot swappable sockets. The LED lights on every single of the wall, not in groups, of course. And finally, we've got the matte black casing. Guys, we get the matte black casing. Oh, look at the back. The back looks awesome. That looks very awesome. Kbd fans. That's nice. So now I will put this all back together and we'll get started on the build. Hopefully this will be great build. Shaved. It's a new day, and a bit of a problem here. I don't have a brush for the lube, so I can't lube my switches. So I'm just gonna build it. I can't leave my stabilizer out, so I'm gonna build it.
It's a weird design with the feet on the stem. I really don't know, so I just took it out and I put in some new V2s, generally wanted everything, and it was not really much better. I don't know, maybe it was just my unit. I haven't seen too many other people complain about it, but at the same time, most of the reviews that I've watched on this board were up around 1, which included.
And this, ladies and gentlemen, is what I call shooting yourself in the foot. Because for the remainder of this video, I'm going to purely evaluate this keyboard based on the description they give. Here we go. The case is high profile with relatively thin, uniform bezels and curved edges, a matte black finish, a bunch of logos, recessed USB port, and most.
Yeah! Yes, sir! All the stabilizers are done. Close up the loop. I'm not gonna leave the bloody switches, I can't be asked. And they're silk, so they're preloaded by the factory, but very like bad. But anyway, okay. Yeah, 27 minutes to lube and put together five stabilizers. So basically, guys, my stabs are fine. They are all good. All good. Oh, Jesus. So this is the wrong way. And rip. Yeah, okay. Do these work? Which is cool. Yay, it works. Yay! So basically, I've spent an hour and 30 lubing and putting these stabilizers on. And now I'm gonna put the keyboard together. Okay, it is now officially 10:40, so not a bad time. Not a bad time, not a bad time. And let's get on with the build. 3, 2, 1, go. Now it's time to put on the. So now it is time to put on the keycaps and put on the case, and we're finally done with the keyboard.
It's not bacon. I've eaten it multiple times and I'm like,
Oh, but with the keyboard, my phone died. Guys, my camera died. Guys, my camera died. It is now 11:30, and basically, boom, it is on. It's got keycaps, got the base with the Kbd fans on the bottom, and now I'm gonna video me putting on everything. So here we go. This is the final stretch. It's now 11:58, and I have completed almost the keyboard. Now, one problem I have is that the stabilizer has come out. Do you see that? That's why I'm stuck. I will not have an enter key, and I'll need to take it all apart tomorrow, just to fix that one thing. So, I can put the center key in. But, to finish off today, I'll put in the escape key in yellow. Yeah. And 3. 2, 1. Now I'll do sound test for the bedroom. Now I'll do sound test.